Welcome to the Global Code Guild. Today we're going to talk about Excel and sharing of workbooks, a shared workbook. Often in an office or in a company, departments have to share information with other departments. And there's an easy way you can do that. So you can have one workbook, there could be many pages, and then people can go in and many people can open that one file and then they can all work on it together at the same time. So here's what you do. Let me zoom in here for you. Here it is. Now I'm using Excel for Mac, but this is up in the Tools menu. You'll find it for if you're using like a Windows version. So to share a workbook, it's very simple. Click here, click Share Workbook, and then this little checkbox here. You give that a click. That's all there is to it. Now typically it might ask you to save it, and that's fine. So that's all there is to sharing a workbook. Now if two people are in a workbook at the same time, like say this cell right here, cell A1, and if somebody types something, okay, that's user 1. Let's call that user 1. Here it is. It's actually cell A8. Still getting used to the magic mouse. Bear with me. User 1. So say user 1 types something in cell A8. Okay? Then user 2 comes in and they try and save that. What they're going to get is a message, and it's going to be a conflict resolution panel. And it's going to say, hey, you know, at this cell address, I have somebody else that has something listed. Do you want to override that? So it gives you a notification for that type of thing. So often the easiest way to avoid conflicts also is to insert multiple sheets, to have things maybe with the table, with specified columns for a person to enter contact or content information. We've never really had a big issue with that. But one of the things, in order to bring in somebody else's changes, now here's a key point, in order to bring in somebody else's changes from another department, you're going to have to save your workbook. And then that will go establish connectivity out to the network and bring that information back in. And that's how it's done. This little simple concept of sharing a workbook can solve so many problems in life in a company. It's really amazing. So, you know, that's what you need to do. It's easy to use, and it solves a lot of processing problems. Often in large companies, the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing, and that is how you address that. You'll have a lot of people that are developers, database people, and then some people are just Excel people. And for the Excel folks, it's a great way to make things smoother for them. I'm Steve for the Global Code Guild. Please sign up at the site.